Hello folks, this is Tech20 and it's a new Microsoft Word video. We're going to go ahead and cover how to insert a table and why making a table out of an Excel document may be the way for you to go. Before we get started, please do feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is from up here at the top, we're going to go ahead and select from home. We're going to go to insert and then select table. And as you can see, it just kind of gives you a basic range of different things. You can do insert table, you can draw the table, and all that other good stuff. Now it does have the option to do Excel spreadsheet, so that's maybe the option you want to go with, just for the simple fact that you can looks just like an Excel spreadsheet. However, that may or may not work for you. You may already have some data that you want to enter in, but you don't want it to clump up on your page. And Excel is really a powerful program that can really format your data a lot better. So what you're going to do is just come over to Excel, select your data, highlight it, right click on it, hit copy, or you can just do Control C, come back to your Word document, and then paste it in there. That's probably going to be the easiest way for you. I hope you found this content helpful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.